Hey, Eric here, Lone Star Acoustics. Hope everyone's doing well. We are just finishing up a job in Southeast Fort Worth at Architectural Fabrication. We took care of these folks with our Cambridge QT 600 system. They're utilizing 5 zones for the sound masking, and I'm going to give you a little tour of what we've done so far. Okay, so here's the QT 600 control module by Cambridge Sound Management, and we are taking care of this place with utilizing 5 of the zones, and one of them will be for future expansion. We've plugged in the audio cables so that they can do music. Got everything nice and neat going up here, up into the ceiling, out here, and in this first area we've got the exposed emitters in black. So we're utilizing the universal housing. Everything blends in nice and neat, using the black emitter caps and the black housings to take care of this this open office setting. So it's going to make it very nice. It was really quiet in here, so we're going to raise the ambient sound level of this room. So let me show you what else. So we're going to do all of this. This will be one zone on its own, and then all these offices are on a zone as well. Let me see if I can get in here and here's one of them in this office. So we did all these offices. See if I can spot one in here close up. Here's one of them in here. So we took care of all these offices. This is another zone. When we got down here, this is the president's office, and we actually put his on its own zone. So he has independent control of his sound masking. So here's one of the speakers. Let's see if I can find the other one. Here's another one. So we took care of that one. So here we have a mezzanine area that goes up these steps. So we put one of the speakers outside of this conference room. These 2 conference rooms up here. Then we treated this conference room and this big conference room. It's in here. One of them. So took care of that mezzanine area with its own zone. Oh, thank you. And then down here, we did a zone for the reception area. So we've got, I don't know if you can see that. And then we took care of this hallway. We added a couple in this break room, just to reduce the echo in here. It's got hard floors, hard walls, kind of like an echo chamber. Where's that other one? Here's one. So everything turned out really nice. So really appreciate the opportunity to help these folks out. Again, this is Eric, Lone Star Acoustics.